my name is Rian and today we'll be seeing one more nerf video. So like other kind of nerfs, those are when I get a new building, I will get a new thing. So I'll make new bike video, new nerf video. So I'll make new things, and you have to subscribe and do the like. So we reach to 100,000. And guys, I have these all bullets. So I found one bullet. So I'll do this other bullet. I'll do this one. So now I just put this here, and I just aim at that thing. It looks like enemy flying onto a building. Yes, building. I can call it. Yes, I can shoot it like this. This is a sniper. That's good. I didn't know. I found this idea, so it will get stick. Need to cut this off. From this, let's get this off. We went to here and then get stuck. Also go from here and get stuck. Actually, one more time to do it. I don't know can I do this because I other YouTubers are having different things. They are making funny videos because they have electric bikes or something. I do one more time. So I just crashed in this place. I need to just cover this off from somewhere. Some place here. So I crashed in this hole. I need to put some here also, okay? Here. So I just put a bullet there again and I'll use it. Aiming like I have this thing. This is A2407. I don't know that. From this back I put that. So I'll try to do this thing. I'll do. This thing got in a straight line. It just, look at this guys. It went like this. Then went this side, so it got stuck like this way. So my shot went bigger. So guys, I think I will end this video here only. In the next video, I'll make a very nice big place for us to shoot. Okay guys, so bye.